Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create an aesthetic blue coloring for your video in CapCut. So it's first just prepare your clips and go to video effect. Here find the texture category, then select the blue mosaic filter effect and adjust the texture and size to 0 and the filter into 60. Now click on the check icon and go to adjust, and in here set the brightness into -10, saturation -5, and then click on the HSL, and on the blue color set the saturation into 100 and luminance -100. Like this. Go back and now click on the highlight, lower it to -10, and for the temperature lower it to also -10. And now you are done. Here is the result for the blue coloring for your video. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.